So I think, Debbie, it would be a good time for you to talk a bit. I mean, first about just the Rejuve app and the technology we've put in there to help people better understand what's going on in their own body with their own journey toward old age and with health. And then after we chat about the Rejuve app and the AI in there a bit, we talk about a little bit the generative cooperative network and sort of the mechanisms that we're trying to put in place to incent more and more people to contribute more and more data to be analyzed by more and more algorithms, which I think is going to be important to crack this sort of multi-dimensional problem of aging.
Well, I'm Deborah Duong, the CTO of Rejuve.AI. I have a doctorate in computational sciences and informatics, and I've worked in complex adaptive system simulation for over 30 years, including the first intelligent agent simulation in 1991. Our BayesNet model, called Bayes Expert, is the first model that we are integrating into the Rejuve.AI framework, and the model that is currently in our app. By model, I mean it relates some things to other things, like chronic illnesses to the hallmarks of aging, so that we can predict or understand those things. We are trying to find the causal relationships behind everything. For example, the slides we just mentioned, to get the data out of them, you flatten them, and that data is flat. But what we really want to do is we generate the causes behind the data, or what are these cycles in the biological network that cause that data. And so we have a couple of ways to do this, and the first of which is our BayesNet model.
So the model here is sort of a model of how different aspects of a person's body and their life sort of interact to make the people get old or to live a long healthy life, right? Like it's a model of how all the different things about a person come together, which could be what you eat. It's how your blood is flowing through your brains. It could be how your mind is functioning. It could be your mental and emotional health. It could be what drugs you're taking, right? So it's a model of how all these aspects of your body and your life and mind are coming together to make your holistic body either healthy and likely to live 110 years or unhealthy and possibly going to die at 60 or 70 or something. And what's complex is all these different factors like intersect and depend on each other, right? Like a certain lifestyle or diet choice could have a different impact depending on the specifics of your genome or on the specifics of your circulation or a whole bunch of things.
And the socioeconomic status, that's in there too.